Hello everyone, I'm Alex, and today I'm very happy to introduce you a remarkably creative product, BNX series. BNX series is the king of mixed splicing, since the cabinets of this series can be flexibly spliced and combined to meet the installation requirements of various application scenarios. So, BNX is widely used in retail chain stores, supermarkets, transportation, logistic hubs, churches, museums, television stations and even theaters. Let's briefly talk about multi-cabinet and irregular splicing. There are 6 different form factors of BNX cabinets which can be spliced in various shapes that you want, making sure that this display can meet different requirements of your project as well as can fit within your particular budget. Besides, cabinets of BNX series can achieve irregular splicing in many flexible ways. If you would like to build an appealing spot for audience with fascinating design, for example with heart shapes or flying wings, BNX series can be outstandingly supportive for your endeavors. In respect to creative splicing, how actually creative BNX series is, how actually creative BNX series can be. Video wall can be arbitrarily spliced in very creative multiple ways. The cabinet supports concave and convex, which enables you to create wave screens with smooth and beautiful curving. Moreover, the creative capability of BNX series makes super efficient if you want to create a right angle LED screen, also LED column or LED cube or square column, etc. So it is very versatile project in terms of creative splicing. Moreover, hanging installation, stacking installation and as well as wall mounting are easily available with BNX series. But what about easy installation and maintenance? BNX series is super lightweight and quite slim actually. It is the width amounts to 48 millimeters. So it is very easy to mount this screen, and actually it is very easy to maintain it. Modules are designed without back shell. So with simple vacuum tool, it will be super quick and super easy to replace all the modules, achieving full front maintenance just within few seconds. In respect to energy saving and environmentally friendliness, BNX series is a low carbon product which was authorized by the TÜV Germany with the carbon footprint certification. So it will help you to save more electricity, more power, and bring customers higher and faster return on investment. Also, multiple optional functions are available with BNX. Products boast the compact appearance with extensive functionality. For example, there are smart modules with automatic calibration function, power supply units and receiving cards double backup to ensure stable operation, as well as fast locks for more convenient and quick installation. BNX series can be customized according to your particular needs very easy and very conveniently. Alright, I hope its extensive design, craftsmanship and a strong performance has already attracted your attention. So if you're looking for a super creative display that can be spliced in very creative and arbitrarily way, so BNX series will be the perfect choice for you. Please don't hesitate to contact us by sending us email at obu@lampro.net. Thank you very much for your attention. See you in the next one.